I just got a package in the mail, thought we would open it up together. This is from Life and Lilac, which is a brand that was created by Jen Reed, who is the sister studio here on Instagram. It's her perfume sampler. These little bottles are absolutely gorgeous. So the first one is called Heartthrob. Now, I'm not a spice girl, so let's see. Ooh, that actually has more sweet than I thought it would. That is a beautiful scent. The next scent we're gonna talk about is called Pretty Woman. Now, I tend to be more of a fruity girl. That's actually, again, that's sweeter than I anticipated. I get a lot of the vanilla. I get the amber. I don't get a lot of the woods or the cedar. That one's very pretty too. The next one is called Forever in Bloom. That one's very floral. I'm more of a sweet person. This one is not my favorite. Next up is Man Cave. Okay, that's better. Maybe I like masculine scents and I just didn't realize it. Ooh, I like that. Still has a little bit of that sweetness. Maybe I like spice more than floral. Who knew? I'm learning something here. Next up is called Down to Earth. Oh my gosh, it smells like the perfume that Santal, that it's so expensive at Nordstrom. I love this one. The last one is Warm Embrace. This is how bad I am at describing scents. I would never have thought I would like this. Oh my gosh. Maybe I like, who knows what I like at this point. I love all of them except for that one. So if you want to try out her scents, this is a great way to check them out because I would have never known what I know now.